Hi everyone, and hearty welcome to all my viewers. In this session, we are discussing about the different types of values, mainly the traditional and the constitutional values of India. Hope you enjoy this video. Let's start it. Values are variously classified by different experts for different purposes. In a general classification, values are classified into two types: intrinsic and extrinsic values. Intrinsic values are also known as the universal values, objective values, fundamental values, and these are the values which are inherent within the subject. The extrinsic values are also known as instrumental values, subjective values, or relative values. Mostly, these are acquired from the society. In the next classification, there are two types of values: the absolute values and pragmatic values. The absolute values are permanent, real, and true values. The pragmatic values are changing, subjective, and relative values. And it is one of the general classification. In this classification, there are mainly 5 values: the personal or individual values, social values, moral values, spiritual values, and aesthetic values. Personal or individual values. It is one's private or personal guiding principles and which make him unique, and it can be reflected in his views, goals, relationships, and commitments, etc. Social values. These are those values which are good for the society, and the example for social values: forgiveness, justice, love, etc. Moral values consist of those beliefs that guide one's sense of justice. Example: moral stability, sense of responsibility. Spiritual values are those values that fulfill the needs of human consciousness. Example: harmony, hope, purity of mind, etc. The aesthetic values are those values that emerging from and related to arts or beauty. Examples: neatness, appreciation, enjoyment, etc. Now let us discuss the traditional values of India. The traditional values of India refers to those standards and values which were embraced by most Indians from the earliest beginning of its culture and throughout the majority of its history. The traditional values of India is variously classified, and one of the common classification reveals that there are 5 traditional values: spirituality, simplicity, tolerance, non-violence, and self-realization. Spirituality means devotion to a particular god, religion, spirit, or soul. Simplicity means simple living and high thinking. Tolerance is the quality of the mind to suffer, and to sacrifice. Truth is God, and truth is divinity itself. Self-realization is knowing of one's own body, mind, and soul. Non-violence or ahimsa is an attitude of never injuring any being or non-human being through thought, words, deeds, etc. The ancient Indian tradition stressed the pursuit of important impersonal and personal values. Ancient times, the society is divided into 4 varnas in accordance with their dharma, and each having to pass through 4 ashramas in order to attain moksha, that is the ultimate aim of life. The personal values are dharma, artha, kama, moksha, and these are commonly known as purusharthas, meaning the objectives of human being. Dharma means righteousness. It defines our roles and responsibilities. Artha means wealth. It is to live skillfully in a world of material objects that exist for your benefit. Kama is a desire for pleasure, and it is the enjoyment by the sensory organs. Moksha is the liberation of our soul from the worldly sufferings and is the highest end of our life. The impersonal values or universal values are values that can apply to all types of human beings regardless of their social, ethnic or cultural origin. And it has the same meaning for all people and does not vary according to the society. The impersonal values are truth, goodness and beauty. Truth is God and is divinity itself. Goodness is the quality of doing good and not evil, and God is the highest image of goodness. Beauty is the characteristic of a person, place, object or idea that provides a perceptual experience of pleasure, meaning and satisfaction. Constitutional values. Our constitution embodies and reflects certain basic human values through its preamble and fundamental duties. The constitutional values of India are democracy, equality, secularism, socialism, sovereignty, republic, justice, liberty, fraternity, dignity of the individual, unity and integrity of the nation, international peace, and fundamental duties. Democracy is the government of the people, by the people and for the people. It is based on the freedom and equal rights. Equality means the lack of discrimination on the basis of sex, race, religion, etc. Secularism is not anti-religious, but it allows all citizens to profess, to preach and practice any religion of their choice. Socialism aims at the greatest good of all and looks for the classless, casteless and stateless society. Sovereign means having complete political freedom. It is free to determine for itself without any external interferences. The Republic value strengthens and substantiates democracy, where every citizen of India is equally eligible to be elected as the head of the state. Living in a democratic system does not ensure justice to citizens. Justice means fairness in the way people are dealt with. Fraternity stands for the spirit of common brotherhood among all the people of India. Dignity of the individual ensures equal participation of every individual in all the process of democratic governance. The fraternity promotes one of the critical values, that is unity and integrity of the nation. The fundamental duties reflect certain basic values like patriotism, nationalism, humanism, gender equality, etc. Okay dears, I am concluding the class. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത ടോപ്പിക്ക്